Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share you how to submit your Aieea UG application 2022 successfully. As we all know that the submission of application form starts from yesterday, that is 20th of July, and it extended till 19th of August. So without wasting much time, let's start today's video. Before that, if you are watching our video for the very first time, please do subscribe and share our channel. So, the official website for the application is ica.nta.nic.in, and when you log in, you are directed to this page as shown in. For registration, click on the new registration button on the left side of the screen. Now we can see the complete details regarding the application form. The most important thing to remember is about the payment of application. That is, for general category, the examination fees is rupees 800, and for OBC and EWS category, it's 770, and for SC, ST, PWD and third gender category, they have to pay only rupees 400. And after that, check whether you have the following items for the completion of application. That is, candidate have to carry the scanned copy of their photograph and signature, which should be in JPG format only. Please note the size of the scanned photo should be in between 10 KB to 200 KB, and the size of signature should be within 4 KB to 30 KB. Candidates are need to carry their scanned thumb impression too, and which should be between 3 KB to 30 KB only. Please note the photograph should be with white background and signature should be in blue or black ink on white paper. And after reading all the instructions, put a tick mark on the small column given on the left side of the screen and click here to proceed. Now we are directed to a page where you first enter your personal details like candidate's name, your father and mother's name, date of birth, gender. After that, enter the type of identification like Aadhaar card, driving license, etc. and enter the respective number on the next column. That is, if you select driving license, then you have to enter your driving license number on the next column. Now you have to enter the present address carefully, like name, locality, country, state, district, PIN code, etc. For communication purpose, enter your email address and confirm it on the next column and then enter your mobile number. Now you can add your permanent address. If it is same as your present address given above, just click on the column given on the left side. Otherwise, you can fill your permanent address details of locality, country, state, district. After that, now you have to create a strong password and please note it down on somewhere else for the further purpose. After the confirmation of password, select a security question given below as shown, like what is the name of your first school, and write your security answer on the next column. At last, enter the security pin given below and click the submit button. After clicking on submit button, here appears a review page and it indicates if you like to change any information entered, press edit confirmation page, or if it's all okay, you can click on submit button and send OTP. Below the review page, there is a column for entering the OTP, which will be sent on your registered mobile number. Now check your mobile and enter the OTP and check whether all the information entered are correct or not. If you're done successfully, click on the submit registration form. After submission, you will get an application number. Please note it down. Then press complete application form. On the next page, click on the personal details button below to proceed further and complete the application form. Now enter your personal details like candidate's name, date of birth, gender, your father and mother's name, nationality, category, etc. In the next box, they are asking you whether you belong to any underprivileged states or not. If yes, click yes, or if you are not, click no. Then, if you are belonging to any PWD category, that is person with disability, enter your answer as yes or no. If yes, that is you are belonging to person with the disability category, enter the type of disability on the next box and also enter the percentage of disability. In the next column, click yes or no if you are diabetic or not. Then enter your place of residence and your annual family income too. And at last, enter details on the visible marks on your body, that is any identification mark on your body. After careful checking, enter the security pin given below and click on Save and Next. In the next page, enter your Aadhaar details and submit it. Now, here comes the next page related to the choice of exam city. The first one they are asking is the major subject group studied at 12th standard. That is, if you have studied physics, chemistry and biology, you can select PCB. Or you can select ABC if you have studied agriculture, biology and chemistry. And in the next column, select the subject you wanted to be attempted in the exam, like PCB or ABC, etc. Now select the medium of question paper. There are only two languages are available, that is Hindi and English. Select according to your preference. After that, now we can select the choice for exam city. You can select only any 4 cities for writing the exam. Now enter your father's occupation and qualification, and in the same way enter your mother's occupation and qualification. After that, now just go through the details given below and enter the security pin given below and click on Save and Next. After the confirmation of your contact details, personal details, Aadhaar details and exam center details, now it's time for qualification details. First, enter your class 10th qualification details like pass status, year of passing, place of schooling, name of the board, that is like state board or CBSE or any kind of other boards. Then enter your result mode as CGPA or percentage and enter your class 10 roll number and name of your school. Like the same way, enter your class 12 qualification details like pass status, year of passing, place of schooling, board, result, name of school, etc. And after the careful analysis of this section, enter the security pin given below. Now it's time for documents uploading. The first one to upload is candidate's photograph, which should be within 10 to 200 KB only. And after that, upload your thumb impression. And one of the most important thing to remember is that all the male candidate have to use their left hand thumb impression and all the female have to use their right hand thumb impression only. This is one of the most important thing to note. All the males have to use the left hand thumb and females have to use their right hand thumb. And the file size must be between 3 KB to 30 KB only. Along with this, enter a scanned copy of signature, which should be within 4 to 30 KB only. The next is your category certificate, that is, it should be within 50 to 300 KB. And if you are a person with a disability, that is PWD, you have to enter your PWD certificate along with this. After uploading documents, now comes a review page of your online application form. Just go through it, check whether you are given any kind of error or not. After careful analysis, verify those particulars, especially candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, category, PWD, exam center, and educational details, and click on all the appropriate columns. Then read the declaration format given below and click on I agree and final submit of application. In the next page, if you find any correction, you can edit through the clicking on edit application form, or else click on the next button as it indicates you to verify your email address and click there. In the next page, enter your email ID and security pin and click submit. Now click here to go home, because we came to our final procedure of fees payment. In the home page, click pay examination fees. Just remember the exam fees of each category now. After the payment of your fees, now you can download your confirmation page. And please note, there is no need to send this confirmation to any authorities. So these are the steps to register for Aieea UG 2022. I hope you all understand each steps, and if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on the comment box given below. So that's all for today, and we will be coming up with more videos on Aieea soon on this channel. Till then, do like, share and subscribe.